breakfast fun with TaylorToned. Hello everybody, very nervous for today's video. It's the first time I've tried anything like this on the channel. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you've not hit that subscribe button, do right now. Press the bell so you get notified every single time I upload. Probably thinking, Gabby, what are you doing? I'm currently walking on a treadmill. It is 12:30. Since I moved here, I feel like when I lived in the UK, I used to do so many steps every single day. All I seem to do here is stay inside or walk to the car, walk back, and that's really not very far. I do a little bit of cardio every single day. I'm going to share with you today 2 recipes that are a good go-to breakfast idea. Get you started in the morning, get you up, get you out. This is hard. Talking on a treadmill, holding the camera is very, very hard. Join me when I'm in the car and we're on the way to the supermarket. Do you ever leave the house and think, what are you wearing? It's currently 27 degrees outside and I've still got my bra top on that you saw, my bralette that you saw in the gym, and my shorts. I've put on a denim jacket over the top. It's 27 degrees outside with no clouds in the sky. I'm gonna go to the supermarket and it's either wear the denim jacket, be really hot, get the denim jacket off and walk around the supermarket in your bra. Obviously didn't use my brain when I left the house just now. I'm gonna head to the supermarket and we're gonna buy all the things that I need for the 2 breakfast recipes today. I have 1 savoury breakfast and I have 1 sweet breakfast. Couldn't think of the word then. Always a palaver when I go to the supermarket because I'm not fluent in the local lingo. I'm learning. I went to my classes this morning. It's always a challenge, so it might take us a while. Fine example of Brexit here. €5 for some beans. We are done. That was hard. Jeez Louise, it's hot. The thing that was hard about that shop was that I went in there, and if I was in the UK, it would be so easy. I'd be able to look at everything. I'd be able to see what was in it, etc, etc. The simplest things, with salt, without salt. I mean, arroz, rice. Because I've like kind of half learnt the language, I can tell you that it says there at the bottom, basically gluten free. And there it says the product is adequate for persons with an intolerance to gluten. Like I can translate that, but I mean, I'd be stood with every single thing like, give me a minute people, in the aisle. It already took me an hour in there just to buy the ingredients for today's video. It does take a little bit longer shopping over here. Let's go home and get into the main bulk of the video because this has been a lot of rambling for a lot of minutos. Dishes. I don't want to call them dishes because I sound like I'm Heston Blumenthal or Jamie Oliver, but I'm not. I promise at some point today I will actually get changed and not just keep changing my jacket over the top of the sports bra and the shorts that I went to the gym in this morning. I watched a really funny TikTok last night. I'm on TikTok as well, at TaylorToned, and it was this girl telling her boyfriend that it was okay that she was still in the gym wear from this morning even though she got really sweaty. I'm living up to her TikTok. YOLO? Get a thumbs up if you also do this. Go to the gym. Let's get changed. Don't get changed. You're still in the same clothes like 6 hours later. Anyway, as you can see, I am home in my kitchen. For this breakfast idea, you will be needing muesli, natural Greek yogurt, honey, and you'll also be needing a fruit. I am using raspberries today, but you can select any fruit that you like. So this is actually my favourite go-to breakfast in the morning. I've already had this for breakfast today. I know you're probably looking at it thinking it's very, very simple. It's easy to make, quick to make, and the thing that I love about this is that you can pre-make it on a Sunday and keep it for the next few days. Start off by grabbing yourself your muesli, and I have popped in my glass 25 grams, which is 88 calories. Dried fruit, dried oats, seeds, nuts, all combined into one. You're then going to grab a hold of your honey and you're going to put the muesli, you're going to grab a hold of your honey and you're going to put the honey on top of your muesli, and then you're going to run to make it a little bit restaurant style around the edge of your cup so it gets mixed in with the natural yogurt when it comes, just like that. don't want to add too much honey. Check your ingredients, because when you start adding too much, it gets very calorific. The Greek yogurt that I've got is from my local supermarket. I doubt many of you are at my local supermarket, but this is 2% fat. This is 2% fat natural yogurt, and it is 69 calories, which is amazing, per 125 grams. Get your spoon in there! I'm gonna try and do this as neatly as possible. This is not what happened with my breakfast this morning. It was literally whap dash slash everywhere. Can I say that on YouTube? I'm excited about this because I know how yummy it is. It's up to you what fruit you use on the It's up to you what fruit you use. I can't say that sentence. Fruit you use on the top of your combination, but today I'm gonna go for raspberries, and I'm also gonna put a little bit of banana on top. Extremely simple to make, like very, very simple to make that, but trust me, it's so good and it's nutritious as well. I've just worked out that in this little breakfast pot there is 270 calories. Oh my gosh, why do I love that so much? I forgot to mention, with the breakfast pot, you can make a couple of those on a Sunday night, and I normally eat them on a Monday and a Tuesday. You are going to be needing for this breakfast recipe 1 egg, 1 avocado, 1 pan of some sort to boil the water in, a rice cracker. We are going to be making rice cake, avocado with a hard-boiled egg on top. Now I know that avocado egg on toast is a really common thing, but I'm switching out the bread today for rice cake. This is really good if you need a gluten-free option, maybe you're trying to cut out bread, or maybe you just want to change up your diet a little bit. First of all, you need to grab yourself uma ovo, 1 egg. Bring the pan to a boil and make sure when you put the egg into the pan, the water covers the egg. We're then going to boil that for 12 minutes to make sure it's not runny. So 12 minutes, put your stopwatch on. While we wait for the egg to boil, one of these is 23 calories. An egg actually has in it 155 calories plus 23 calories from the 1 rice cracker. And then we are going to smash up the avocado and take out all of our anger for the day. Next. Aren't avocados weird? Cut and scoop technique. You cut and then you scoop. Don't make the rice cracker, the avocado and the egg and then keep it in the fridge and it'll go soggy, not very nice. So I like to separate and keep the avocado in the bowl for the next day. I like to have my avocado quite mashed up and smooth. Spreads onto the rice cake a little bit better, and it's easier as well to eat. So half the avocado, 1 rice cake and 1 egg will be 330 calories. Another great start to the day. Really simple. Grab a hold of your rice cake, get the avocado, and you're going to spread the avocado to the rice cake ready for the egg. Take the egg out of the water, be very, very careful. You're just going to peel the hard-boiled egg. This is like unwrapping a present at Christmas. What's underneath? All the wrapping paper that my nan put on. Apparently it took like 5 years to put the wrapping paper on because there's so much on it. Then once you've peeled the whole egg, the hard-boiled egg, I want you to chop it down the middle like this. You all know where I'm going with this. Grab yourself a tiny weeny bit of salt and sprinkle it on the top. Voila! Not as pretty as the granola, but this is another of my breakfast go-tos. 330 calories, and should we do it? Should we give it the taste test? I told you I was no Jamie Oliver. I think that's actually not presented that bad. 10 out of 10, you should definitely try this one. The first recipe would take you literally 5 minutes to make, and you can make that a couple of days, 1 to 2 days I would say, before you eat it. But this one, you can prep the avocado, but you would have to boil the egg, which takes 12 minutes to get it to this consistency, and then put it all together, so another minute. So you need to give yourself 15 minutes in the morning to have breakfast. Oh, that's so good. Oh my gosh, that's good. Hit subscribe and let me know if you make any of the breakfasts down below. See you all soon.